Understanding quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means a four-sided figure. When the figure has four sides, we can say that figure is a quadrilateral. But before studying what quadrilaterals are, it is important that you know that there are different types of polygons, and these different types of polygons are, starting with the smallest polygon, that is a triangle. A triangle has got three sides. So, when it has got three sides, that is tri, which means 3, and angle, that means this figure has 3 angles. Now, this 3 angles and 3 sides could be equal or it may not be equal. So, if it is equal, we say they are equiangular, or that figure is called a regular polygon. If the sides and angles are different, then we say that that figure is irregular. So, here this is a triangle which has got 3 sides. Similarly, 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. This has got 4 sides. We have a 5-sided figure. The 5-sided figure is called a pentagon. A 6-sided figure is called hexagon. A 7-sided figure is called heptagon. 8-sided figure is called octagon. A 9-sided figure is called a nonagon, and finally a 10-sided figure is called decagon. Now, there are names also for 11 sides and 12 sides, but that will be beyond the course at the moment. So, we have to concentrate on these polygons: triangle with 3 sides, quadrilateral with 4 sides, pentagon with 5 sides, hexagon with 6 sides, a heptagon with 7 sides, octagon with 8 sides, nonagon with 9 sides, and decagon with 10 sides. So, these are all examples of polygons. So, when we refer to polygons, it can have n number of sides, and these are from triangle to decagon should be known. So, this number of sides is normally represented by the alphabet n. So, n stands for the number of sides of a polygon. Now, basically we can classify polygons as either concave or convex. Now, how do we distinguish between concave and convex polygons? The simplest way to distinguish between a concave and convex polygon is by drawing a figure and then constructing the diagonals of the figure. So, if you have a figure like this is a random quadrilateral, it is a 4-sided figure, name it as ABCD, and if we are going to draw the diagonals of this, that means join D to B and A to C, we find that both the diagonals are lying within the figure. So, such type of figures where both or more than 2 diagonals are lying completely inside the figure is known as a convex polygon. So, this is an example of a convex polygon. Similarly, you can have another figure, let us say this is a pentagon with 5 sides. I am going to draw a diagonal 1, a diagonal 2, another diagonal here. Whatever diagonals I am drawing from one point to the other, I find that all the diagonals are lying within the figure. So, this is also an example of a convex polygon. Now, if these are convex polygons, then what are concave polygons? Concave polygons will be figures where the diagonal will lie outside the figure. So, if you are joining this diagonal here, this is inside, but if I am joining this vertex to this vertex, then what happens is that this diagonal lies outside the basic figure. So, therefore, if I name this as ABCD, we find that one diagonal lies inside, but the other diagonal is outside. So, when diagonals are lying outside, then such type of figures are called concave polygons.